Today's practice is getting strong from inside. How to get stronger and stronger day by day from inside means from your mind, from your emotions, from everything. It is more than asanas. This is known as pranayama. Pranayama means we are working on our breathing. We are working on our breath. Namaste everyone. This is Miss Neha welcoming all of you in day 20 of 21 days real life yoga. So without further delay, let's get started. Let's start with the first technique, that is Kapalbhati. Today I am not going to discuss the benefits of Kapalbhati. There are n number of benefits of Kapalbhati that we will discuss someday else. Today we will see the technique, how to do it with proper way without mistake. So Kapalbhati is actually not pranayam, but it is a cleansing technique. It will help you to clean your body first, so that whatever you are doing, your body can adopt it. So let's start. First of all, you have to sit in the Sukhasana. You can sit in any posture, any position which is comfortable for you. आप जो भी पोजीशन में कंफर्टेबल हो उसमें आप बैठ सकते हो. आप चेयर पे बैठ सकते हो, आप फ्लोर पे बैठ सकते हो. अगर आप सुखासन में बैठना चाहो तो उस पे बैठ सकते हो, आप वज्रासन में बैठ सकते हो. चॉइस इज योर. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट पोजीशन ऑफ योर हैंड्स. Ideally, you can keep it in any mudra, that is your choice again. All mudras have different benefits that depends on your body. I will keep in Gyan Mudra today. Now throughout the practice, the thing which you have to keep in your mind is your back should be straight, it should be erect. Wherever you are sitting, on the chair, on the sofa, on the floor, wherever. But you have to keep in mind that your back should be straight, erect. That is the most important part of any pranayama, any technique. Throughout the practice, you have to keep your eyes closed. Now first we will see what is the technique. In the Kapalbhati, you have to take full breath in and then you have to release it in the strokes. ओके आपको एक साथ पूरी सांस बाहर नहीं निकालनी है, आपको उसको स्ट्रोक में निकालनी है. लाइक ओके आप जब ब्रीथ इन करते हो, पूरी सांस अंदर भरी है आपने, उसके बाद आप उसको स्ट्रोक्स में बाहर निकालते हो, तब सिर्फ एक्सलेशन होता है. उस टाइम पे इनहेलेशन पैसिव होगा. जब आप एक्सेल कर रहे हो 1 2 3 4, तो आप सिर्फ एक्सलेशन कर रहे हो, बीच बीच में आप सांसें ले नहीं रहे हो, लेकिन वो ऑटोमेटिक पैसिव वे में हो जाएगा. सो मैं आपको प्रैक्टिकली करके दिखाती हूँ विद द काउंट्स. First of all, if you are beginner, then you will do 1 second, 1 stroke. If you are intermediate, means you have practiced for 1 week, 15 days, then you will do 1 second, 2 breath and practice for so many days, at least for 1 month, then you will do 1 second, 3 breaths. Now how to count that I am showing all of you. This is my stopwatch. First I will do 1 second, 1 breath. You have to inhale full, then start. If you are comfortable for 1 second, 1 breath, हाँ वो भी आप 5 मिनट तक कर पाने चाहिए. आपको कंफर्टेबली ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि 5 मिनट तक मैं विदाउट स्ट्रेस कर पाता हूँ या कर पाती हूँ, तो ही आप मूव करोगे. 1 second, 2 breaths. हाउ? इनहेल, स्टार्ट. और अगर आप इसमें भी कंफर्टेबल हो तो आपको करना है 1 second, 3 breaths. हाउ? दैट आई एम शोइंग अगेन. So this is the perfect way to do Kapalbhati with proper counting, and then you will see the results within few days. you will feel that your entire body is getting stronger. You will feel that from inside you are getting stronger. Your mind is more balanced now. Your emotions are balanced now. So that's it. It was Kapalbhati. Do the regular practice of it and you will see the miracle in your life. Minimum 5 minutes. You have to practice it on daily basis along with the asana. See you tomorrow on the mat on the same time. By that time, take very good care of yourself. Blessings to you. Namaste.